All right, so here's a look at these wooden hangers. Now, these are going to be great for suit jackets, for suit pants, but also just going to be good for all-around usage as well. So you can see right now, over here on this side is all of our old ugly hangers, and we're in the process right now of cleaning up and organizing our closet. And we want to redo everything, and the first thing we're starting with is hangers because these make such a huge difference. So first things first, you can see, again, this is a wide hanger, so it's going to have a nice thick piece right here. And when we've got this on a blazer or a jacket like this, you can see that it's going to fit nice here on the edge of it. Now this is a women's blazer, just to show you for example. I don't have my suit in here right now, but this is what it looks like with a suit, and then this is going to be what it looks like with a pair of pants on it. And the reason this works great for suits is you can see, again, the wideness of it right here. So this shoulder pad can sit right on the top right there. And then you can see this is also going to have like a rubberized piece in the middle, and it's going to have these ridges in it. So if you do have pants on here, they're not going to slip and slide off of here. And that's what makes this really nice. A lot of these other ones that I've seen, they don't have this rubber piece on the middle right here. And pants are always going to slip and slide off, especially suit pants, because they are so slick. Now, like I said earlier, this is also going to be great for other types of clothes as well. So I've got a couple different samples here for you. We've got this smaller women's jacket. You can see that it still fits nice on here. Then I've got my extra large. This is probably my biggest jacket that I own, and you can see that this works perfect for this. When I've had this on these other old hangers, I would either snap and break them, or they would just be really puny and kind of like flop around. And you can see this is very strong, and it just feels like it's got like a premium executive feeling to it. Then it's also going to work great on other materials too. So you can see here we've got it on a jean jacket, and then this one we've got it on a leather jacket. And this is going to be an extra small jacket. So you can see even with this being a wide shoulder and a broad hanger, this will still work on smaller clothes. So if you're looking to buy it for, maybe you have smaller clothes, it should still work in that scenario as well. And the color of these is going to be a dark walnut color. Again, making them really premium, executive looking, especially nice compared to, even this one is a little bit better than these plastic white ones. But I mean, look at these three compared. Obviously, this one's going to make your closet look a lot nicer and just makes it more pleasurable when you come in to grab your clothes. You can see everything here is on the wooden hangers, and it just looks really nice. And then I turn over here and you got these ugly plastic hangers. So it's a huge upgrade to your closet. If you're looking to upgrade your closet and you need some suit hangers, or if you want to just utilize them for things like jackets and shirts or anything like that, then I would definitely recommend picking these ones up.